Hi guys, Scott McPharlin here from Magain Real Estate and welcome to 349 Fenton Avenue in beautiful Christies Beach. I've got an outstanding townhouse for you. It's really unusual to find something with double garage and a balcony to the master bedroom. It's beautifully fitted out, great stone bench tops, beautiful open plan living area, and the amount of storage in this one is exceptional. Why don't we go inside and check it all out? There you have it. I absolutely love the design of this home. It's got great room sizes, beautiful appointments with the stone bench tops, beautiful porcelain tiles, a great sized double garage, beautiful courtyard, and of course the balcony off the master is an added bonus. My name's Scott McPharlin from Magain Real Estate. I can't wait to see it and open for this one.